is for more and more people to consider the evidence, follow the chain of argument I've presented, and come to the conclusion that on present evidence is more likely that the virus escaped from a lab. Now, if a lot of people start saying that, particularly eminent scientists, that for the first time would put pressure on the Chinese to bring out their evidence and try and tell us what really happened. You know, up to now they had a free ride because everyone's been saying it's natural emergence, so the Chinese just sort of grin and say nothing. They didn't have to say anything. If we could put pressure on the Chinese to tell us what really happened, then we'd be a lot further forward. And I think one could point out this is maybe far too optimistic and Pollyannish, but there is a potential face-saving formula here, which is that even though the Chinese presumptively let the virus escape, it was the US that funded the research. So there's a little bit of blame to go around on both sides, and if both sides could agree to that, then they could focus on trying to find out how to make sure this kind of thing never happened again.
Do you happen to know, is there a moratorium now on this gain-of-function research, and if not, shouldn't there be?
Well, we should certainly discuss it a lot, and the people who say this research is very beneficial should make their case as best they can, and then someone, maybe an independent body, should tell the virologists what is the appropriate safety level for each kind of research. You know, the virologists don't like to work in BSL-4 labs. No one does. It's very cumbersome. Everything takes twice as long. So I think people may decide after a review that the safety level should be significantly raised for certain kinds of research. That's the kind of review I think we should have.
Do you think the government is going to want to investigate the government here? Do you think these agencies that are supposed to be looking out for our health and welfare are going to want to be doing this so far? Because so far, as best I can tell, they haven't moved an inch.